A fossilized mangrove that was wiped out by a volcanic eruption 22 million years ago has recently been rediscovered by scientists. News.com has learned that the mysterious forest, located at Barro Colorado Island in the Panama Canal, has captivated researchers with the unique fossilized remains of a long-dead tree species. The discovery was made by a team at the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute, who have been studying the geological history of the region. Through sedimentary samples and fossil analysis, the scientists were able to determine that this ancient forest was dominated by a species of mangroves that no longer exists on Earth. The forest's existence could be attributed to the perfect conditions that prevailed during the early Miocene epoch, per a paleogeography, paleoclimatology, paleoecology study featured on Science.direct.com. At that time, the atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration was significantly higher than it is today, allowing the trees to grow to extraordinary heights, averaging around 80 feet tall, some reaching as high as 131 feet. In contrast to the current concentration of around 400 parts per million by volume, ppmv, it is estimated that during the Miocene epoch, it reached at least 500 ppmv. The team of scientists discovered 121 preserved pieces of wood in a stream, which they named Sonoradioxylon barricoloradoensis. This particular species of mangrove is said to have distant relatives in Southeast Asia, but its discovery in Panama suggests a far wider distribution in the prehistoric era. What the researchers found even more astounding was the lack of other tree fossils in the area, which to them indicates that other species struggled to survive near Barro Colorado Island. The dominant species' survival, on the other hand, is credited to the confluence of salt water from the sea and freshwater. The fossil evidence also revealed that the forest had been wiped out by a violent volcanic eruption. This eruption triggered a lahar, or a flow of water, mud, ash and rocks that rapidly covered a large area, entombing the forest in layers of sediment. Lahars provide unique preservation conditions that allow scientists and archaeologists to obtain valuable insights into the mysteries of the past. The team in charge of this particular discovery believes that the eruption that led to the end of the mangrove was a catastrophic event and wiped out the entire forest in a single fell swoop. The discovery has also led scientists to conclude that similar extinctions have occurred all throughout the world due to volcanic activity. Barro Colorado Island, or BCI as it is better known, has been dubbed one of the most studied tropical islands by the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute, which also notes that it has one of the oldest tropical research stations in the world. These findings will feature in the March 2024 issue of the Paleogeography, Paleoclimatology, Paleoecology journal.